Alright, party people. Today we have something special again, once again, as usual. I always have. Today we have the Sony WH1000-XM5 in the house. So I'm a big Sony fan. I have the PS5 and a lot of Sony gadgets around the house. I even have the WH1000 and I've been rocking those for quite some time now, and Sony recently announced the WH1000-XM5. So in today's video we're going to take a look at the XM5 and see what's new, doing a quick unboxing and answer the question if you should buy it or should not buy it, if you should upgrade it from your XM4, XM3s or not. So I'm gonna go over the specs and all the new things that they added, and then we answer that question. So without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. Alright, WH1000-XM5, brand new release. I haven't opened that one yet. Just got it brand new in the box, open. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and see what comes in the box. Open here. Basic case, soft. There is nothing here. It's different from the other one, from the old one. The old one had a circular shape, but that one has a kind of AirPod Max type of shape. But FYI, I bought this with my own money. This is not sponsored. Okay, so user manual. So how to start, the usual. Okay. So really nice and sleek case, about the same material. This one is a bit softer than the other. I like the new case. Let's see what comes inside. Okay. Yeah. Quick comparison. Oh wow. These feel really light. Oof. The material on it is so soft. Let's compare it to the WH1000-XM4. These feel a little bit heavy. Okay, so let's see here. Got a scale. About 230 gram, and the XM5 225 gram, 224 gram, so about the 6 gram difference. Those are heavier. What else? Material, the new material feels nice. Battery life, according to the website, the XM5 have up to 30 hours of battery life with quick charging, 3 minutes charge for 3 hours of playback. Multi-connection allow you to connect quickly and switch between devices. The XM4 had that. on the H5 on the XM4. Okay, 30 hours of battery life with quick charging, 10 minutes charge for 5 hours of playback. So that one takes longer to charge. New feature, what's new with that one? I mean, the design is new. The new design is sleek, looks nice, feels comfortable on the head. Oh yeah, it feels really nice on the head. Okay, here the extension is completely different. That one has stops, so you guys can hear it. Okay, it has stops to adjust the height, but that one slides in and out. Pretty neat. What else? Does it fold like the older one? No, it doesn't. So it doesn't fold like the old one like that. It doesn't. So you just flip, okay, inward. So you can new material. The new material feels softer than the old material. Good deal. So alright, so let's connect it to my phone and see how easy it is to connect it. Alright, I have the Sony app going here. Alright, so let's connect the device. Connect. There you go. Found it. Select our phone from screen. Next. WH1000-XM5. Connect. App not installed. Sony headphone. Okay, initial setup. Next. Completed, optimized. Okay. Go to the dashboard. Okay, so from I'm gonna put this on my head and see. Okay, so from an app perspective, still the same. That's pretty much it. This sounds, wow, yeah, sounds quality, the bass, it's a huge improvement compared to the XM4. Wow, I don't know what Sony did, but the sound quality on those is just like, wow. I can relate that over the video, but I tried them on and I've been using those for a while, and I'm used to the sound of this, and I'm trying those now. It's just like, wow, the sound quality is pretty awesome. So now we at the point where we need to answer our questions. So what's new about it? Battery life has improved, has better sound quality. The app is the same, feature are the same, the stop and pause specs are the same with the XM4, but the sound quality and the battery life and the new sleek design is what differentiate the XM4 from the XM5. So should you or should you not upgrade to the XM5 coming for the XM4 or the XM3? In my opinion, coming for the XM3, I would definitely upgrade to the XM5. But if you have the XM4, I don't really see the need to upgrade to the XM5. The sound quality is great, but the XM4 is not bad. It's good for its generation, it's good, but that's just my opinion. It's up to you. I show you the specs, I show you what they're both capable of, so it's up to you to decide if you're going to upgrade to the XM5. Both are great headphones, great noise cancelling system, great sound quality. The app is pretty great, easy to connect. They're actually faster to, was easier to connect with the XM5 to my phone. It took a little while to connect the XM4 when I first got it, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you want to see more videos like this. I have more gear coming and more reviews coming.